When the software is open, we need to start a new project. We will do this by clicking on the command New. A new window will open. By default, Part will be checked, which is the environment in which we will work, so we will not touch that option. We will write the name of the project in the file name. It is only important to remember that in PTC Creo, we use the bottom line instead of spaces. The Use Default Template field needs to be unchecked. Then click the OK button. Immediately after the confirmation of the project, a window will pop up where it is necessary to define the dimensions or the standard according to which you are working. In our case, we chose millimeters, newtons and seconds, as if it were part and solid. When the workspace opens, select the Extrude command and select the top plane. Using the Circle tool, we draw a circle of 35 mm in diameter. Then confirm our sketch. The length of our nut is 15 mm. Immediately after confirming the length, we select the extrude and the upper surface. We will make a 13 mm hole using extrude through the Alt command. Using the hole tool, we will make a hole in the top surface. Using strings that we will tie to the plane and dimension. The hole will be defined. And make a sharp end hole. We will use the mirror tool to copy the hole over the plane. Now we will break down all the sharp edges using the chamfer tool. Internally by 1 and externally by 2 mm through 45 degrees. It remains to cut the metric thread. We need to go to the engineering drop-down menu, then the cosmetic thread. Here you choose whether you want a standard thread or one of your choice. Such threads will not be seen physically on the model, but will be seen on the model tree and in the technical drawing. To see what our tension nut looks like in reality, we can use realistic rendering. We will assign material, say brass, and see how it looks in reality. This is the end of our project. I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to ask them. I wish you a pleasant day.